Hi guys. Everyone knows about my mother's YouTube channel, that is Lakshmi Paradise. So I'm her daughter. I'm Harika. So now I want to show my home tour, that is in Hyderabad. So let's start. So you can give any suggestions, comments about my house. Okay, now let's start it. Hello, now we are entering into the hall entrance. So this is the main door of the hall. So now we can see the hall entrance. Now you can see the hall also. So here you can see the 3-seater sofa and 2-seater sofa there. And here you can see the vase. This I was purchased in the Shilparamam, and the stool also. And here you can see the Ganesh photo frame, and this one also I have purchased in the Shilparamam. And here you can see the stickers. This was I have bought from the Amazon. So here you can see the view, and here is the Lord Krishna photo frame. And here you can see that this one is what we'll say the dream catcher. I think everyone knows it. And here you can see the phone, and this doll I have bought from IKEA. And these type of proverbs I like it very much. So this proverb is from the Amazon. I bought from the Amazon. And here you can see the down, you can see the cupboards. And here you can see the showcase. So I love lanterns very much, as well as candle holders. So here is the vase again, and the lanterns. These lanterns I have bought from Home Center. And here you can see the Buddha, and this is the TV unit. See the TV unit here. And here you can see the cup here, me and my son. And here you can see another showcase. So some photo frames, lanterns. And this is Krishna, my Hemant Kumar, my son. And these candle holders I have bought from Muscat. Before Hyderabad we used to stay in Muscat. And here you can see the center table and the carpet. And here some artificial money plants I have hanged like this. And this is a chair. And actually you can see the overall view, and see there some pots I have did. I did only the small pots because it will be very cute there. So I did the small pots. See, I did the pots there. Down you can see the cupboards. So this is the overall view of my hall. And here also you can see the stickers. I don't know, I bought from the Amazon. And now we are entering into the dining hall. And this is my son's car. His grandparents bought him for his birthday. His birthday gift this is. And the color papers in the diamond shape I have arranged it. So here you can see another Ganesh photo frame. Here also you can see the stickers here. So now you can see my fridge. These are the magnetic stickers. I love it very much. So I'm collecting it. So I have to collect more magnetics. I love it. And here you can see the dining table. So I told no, I love candle holders, scented candles very much. It gives a good fragrance for us. We'll feel very happy when we are doing lot of work. It feels happy for us. So here my son's photo frames. So my son's photo frames here. And here you can see the chandelier, small chandelier. I love chandeliers very much. And here you can see the curtain. This is a window here. And here we have purchased some almaras like this. Cupboards to, so we kept a mixie, grinder, rice cooker, induction stove. For that all we have purchased like this. It's easy for me to handle, so like that I have purchased. It will be handy for me also. And down I kept some crockery items, so you can see crockery items and hot packs. Down I have arranged some cups, glass items, so you can see like this I have arranged. And from the dining you can see the kitchen here. So now we are entering into the kitchen. So kitchen, for all the ladies, kitchen is the heart of the house. So everyone loves to spend more time in the kitchen, especially ladies. So this is the sink area here. And here the wooden sticks I have kept in some baskets. And here I wrote, kitchen is the heart of the house. And in this pink basket I arranged Vim liquid, kaolin, so some brushes I have arranged it. And here you can see the flower vase. And this box you can see all the cooker whistles, different types of whistles I have arranged. And here is the vase again. And here is the Kent water purifier. And here you can see the window. On the window I have arranged clock, timepiece here, black color. My son loves a black color very much, so I bought it. And here you can see candle holders. I love it very much. And this is from the IKEA, the yellow color lantern. And here you can see the doll, another doll. I bought 2 dolls from the IKEA. So this is my kitchen platform here. And this is the 3 burners gas stove, Prestige. And this is my platform. And everyone needs very much, especially ladies needs a hand towel. And here I kept different types of oils. I use coconut oil, I use olive oil, so different types of oils I used. Here I kept all types of knives, scissors, peeler, lemon squeezer. So everything I have arranged there in the basket, because it will be very handy for me, so I can take it very easily. And here also they gave cupboards here. And there I kept some ceramic jars. So like that I have arranged it. And here you can see some photographs. So I kept some photographs because it will be very happy when we are cooking. We can see the photographs and we can think all the good memories, so we can enjoy it. Every time we can't take the albums and we can't see. So like this I have arranged some of the photos, and my father, mother, my son, myself, my husband. So like this I have arranged some photographs here. And here you can see they gave the stores. So stores is very important because we can store all the groceries here. I stored all the groceries, which is very important, where it's very necessary for me. So in this rack I have arranged all the groceries, and in this rack some steel boxes I have arranged. So there I have wrote some names because it will be very easy for me. In the morning no need to check which box and which item is there. I no need to check it. So I wrote the names here. And here some hot packs, and here some cups, hot packs. This is a spice rack, so it will be very easy for me. There's a spice rack here. And here is the cutters, vegetable cutters, different types of vegetable cutters. I have arranged it. And some of the everyone will think that what I have arranged all in the green color, because my husband likes a green color. So I'm planning to take everything in a green color. And here you can see the trays, different types of trays. I love trays very much. I love it very much, the trays and all. So you can see the different types of trays. And in the top rack you can see somewhat of glass cups here. And here are the eatables here. So you can see the eatables I kept in the blue boxes, containers. So this is my stores here. And in the down shelf I kept potatoes in that cover, onions, everything. So this is the stores they have given for us. And already you have seen the kitchen, and this is in the kitchen I forgot to say. And this is the one more item is there. See, Mom's Kitchen Cooked with Love. So this one also I bought from Amazon. I buy it there. So these type of proverbs I like it very much. And here you can see the utility area. And this is the washing machine area, you can see it. And in that boxes I kept surf and all, and some liquid, washing liquid, Dettol, everything I have arranged it like that. In that basket you can see some of cloths there, cleaning cloths. So everything I hang like that to the hooks, and it will be very easy for me to clean the floor. So I have hanged everything, dustbin, the bucket, everything. So that is the utility area. And here you can see in the kitchen, you can see the cups here. Some of the milk cups and green tea cups. So we have bifurcated like that. We drink only the green tea, and we won't take the teas and all. We drink only the milk as well as green tea. So this is my overall view of my kitchen. See, this is the overall view of my kitchen. And that is the stores you have already seen. And this is the overall view of my kitchen. Already you have seen the dining room here. On the dining table also I kept some spoons in the basket and tissue papers, fruit bowl. So this is the dining table. And here you can see the hand wash area. So like this I have arranged. Here also you can see the candlelight holder, hand wash, everything I kept like this. And this is the washroom. Here you can see. And here also I have arranged some keychains like this. And this is the common washroom here. So beside the fridge you can see the puja room. So this is the fridge here. Beside the fridge you can see the puja room here. So this is my favorite place. Every day I spend 1 hour here. And this is my puja room. And you can see my puja room. So all gods here. So this is my puja room. So this is the whole view of my puja room. And this is the kids room here. Now we are entering into the kids room. And this is the bed here. And there is a window. There I have decorated with the color papers and all. And here is the iron box, iron stand. I only do the iron and I have no servant maid. I do by my own. All the works I only do. Here is some flowers. I hang the flowers here. And here you can see the wardrobe. See, I'll show you. So here you can see the wardrobe here in the bedroom. And here you can see the air cooler. And here I made some DIYs. And here is the Ganesh. And this is my son's bicycle. And in the wardrobe, so you can see some of my son's toys here. So in this wardrobe I kept some toys there. So this is the overall view of the kids' room. And now we are entering into the balcony. There you have seen the utility area. And this is the balcony here. So I love to grow plants. So these are some plants here. See, you can see I kept some artificial butterflies. I kept some artificial butterflies here. And this is plants here. And I made DIYs here. And here you can see some more plants. So I did with the color papers again here. I arranged like this. Some artificial flowers. You can see there on the window I arranged like this. So here you can see the color papers again I have arranged like this. So these are the DIYs. And here also I did some flowers on the wall. Different types of flowers I made it. So this is my overall view of my balcony. So I love gardening. So some plants. So this is my balcony here. So this is my balcony. So now we can see the master bedroom. So now you can see the master bedroom here. So actually here also, this one I purchased from the Amazon, and here you can see some photo frames, wall clock. This one I bought from the Shilparamam, and here you can see the wardrobes. So in the bedroom they gave wardrobes like this, and this is my bed here. And there also you can see some photo frame, photographs of my son, my husband, me, myself. And here is the, you can see the bed lamp. So I love bed lamps also. And here I arranged a small chair here, and this is my dressing area here. So I told I love small lanterns, everything. So this is my lantern, and here the window came, and you can see up the air conditioner, AC you can see. And here you can see the another washroom. This is the attached washroom. Before starting I showed that is the common washroom, and this is the attached washroom. So this is my dressing area here. So like this I have arranged it. I told no, I like small flower vases, lanterns, bed lamps, everything. So here also you can see the stickers from the Amazon. So this is the overall view of my bedroom. So this is the overall view. So that's it. I think you all enjoyed it. So how is my house? So I think you all enjoyed it. So one thing I want to say, to take this video, to take this home tour, actually my son is my inspiration. Actually I'm very reserved, actually very reserved. My son is my inspiration, I proudly say it. He loves everything. He loves studying, cooking, painting. He loves to watch movies. He loves to talk with everyone. He's very active, very active, and he guides me, mom, do like this, like that. So I proudly say my son is my inspiration. I love my son. And my husband, he's working in the henware company, and his AGM, he's working here. So that is one sweet and small family. So you all enjoyed it. So take care. Bye. So enjoy each and every moment. Okay. Bye. Take care.